It's Wednesday. That means it's time for our test, right? Okay, we're going to need this page here, page 183, 184, alrighty? So get your paper, your pencil, and we'll not need a ruler or anything like that today, okay? Alrighty, so here we go. Let's start up on the top. You ready? A is 8 plus 6. B, 13 minus 6. C, 11 minus 6. D, 6 plus 6. E, 9 minus 6. And F, 15 minus 6. Okay? Alrighty, now next part down here, we're going to count money. The first one is a quarter. Remember, that's 25. And the second one is a 10, right? So you have 125 and 110. How many centavos is that? Okay, over here we have 110 and 2 5s. Okay? 110, 2 5s. This one right here, the orange one on the top. 110, 2 5s. Now, this one down below, we have 125, 110, and 1 1. Okay? A 25, a 10, and a 1. And the last one is 2 10s and 2 1s. Okay? How much is that? Okay, easy, right? We can do this. Okay. Next part here. We just add them. Remember how we did this? You just add them down. Add them down. Add. Okay, remember that? Okay. Now we have our story problem. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. A ship had 5 lifeboats that were good. Take them out and they didn't leak, okay? But it had 3 that had leaks in them. Okay, do you want to be on a boat where the lifeboats don't work? That's against the law. It is, okay? Yes, because if there's a fire on the boat or something happens, gets a hole in it, everybody has to get off the ship. We need enough lifeboats for everybody, right? Okay, so our ship has 5 good boats, 3 bad ones, okay? So how many boats did it have all together? How many boats did it have all together? Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to write your number sentence here and make sure you put your answer in both places, okay? 5 good boats, 3 bad ones. Okay, now this next one you've got to think about. This is a thinking question, okay? Thinking question. Ooh, how smart are you? Okay, ready? Now, there's a picture of a globe. This is what the Earth looks like, right? Here's North America. Here is South America, right? And here we are in Honduras, right down here in Central America, okay? Here's the Pacific Ocean. Here's the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the sea out there outside our windows, okay? That's our ocean. Okay, now, we have 2 oceans, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, okay? Now, the Atlantic has 8 letters in the word, okay? Pacific means calm, paz, from the word paz. Pacific only has 7 letters, okay? Atlantic has 8, Pacific has 7. Okay, now, are you ready? This is where you have to think. The first part's easy, okay? Now, this one has 8 letters. This one has 7, okay? How many more letters does Atlantic have than Pacific? ¿Cuántos más? How many more letters does Atlantic have than Pacific? This is Atlantic, it has this many. This is Pacific, it has this many. How many more are here now? You see that, that's pretty easy. But what do you need to do? You need to make, you need to make a number sentence. What would be the number sentence that you would put in there? You see your 2 numbers. You know that those are the 2 numbers that go with the beginning part, right? We have our 8 and our 7. Is it gonna be más? Is it going to be menos? We need you to use your brain and think. Think. This is our thinking question for today. What would your number sentence look like? Right? Remember what the answer here? You're going to also put in that one up there, right? And then you have to make sure what goes here, what goes there. You think about it, you can figure it out, but you really have to think. Ready? Now, the other side of the paper, be very careful. Listen very carefully. Are you listening? We have some puffins. Read the directions. It says, write the before and after number by 2s. We're going to count by 2s. Write the before and after number by 2, okay? Okay, down here, you're going to add these up. Easy. Okay, down here, you've done this many times. Circle the big number, underline the smallest one, okay? In each one of these icebergs, okay? That's your test for today. So, go ahead and get started and use your little brain, okay? All right, we'll see you tomorrow.